I know I look a hot mess, but I just drop off Azalea, drink some tea, and change our plans. So the motor for the bed, the power base not working. I'm gonna show you. Part of my bedroom, it's still very scanty because we order, who did order one dresser, side table, that's in a March, and then tell us that the mirror for the dresser is available, but nothing else not gonna be available until the end of August. Crazy, right? So we say, you guys say you can still come earlier, blah blah blah, when we were in the store. So we find out after we leave the store, say now come until the end of March. So we did one go reorder something, and then we kind of just say, you know what, no bother, just put it on hold until we can sort out something. But anyways, this is what happened to the bed. Like the head, nothing. Feet, so the feet work. Can see it go up. It works. But head, nothing. So we called to get that rectified today. So hopefully the guy can fix it. But then tell me something, I need to get rid of my base. So I'm gonna figure out how to take off the base of this here, so Karen gonna work before the guy come. So yeah, let's get to that. Sorry, I'm not gonna see me do the sand thing today. Maybe me do it. Maybe if you come early, and me finish this in time, I'll go out there and just do the front of the door, because I think it say like you need 72 hours of like sun, no rain or whatever to affect it. So let me do that right now. Let me fix up stuff. I'm going ahead and stripping the bed and kind of getting everything out the way, so when he comes in he has a clear area to work. I want to make sure that the sheets are off the bed, the pillows are off the bed, and I can be able to like lean up the mattress one side. Mind you, all I'm walking around this thing, I'm kind of preparing myself, because I remember when they were moving this bed and even the mattress upstairs, it was so hard. Okay, you see me I lift, me I make sure I squat and lift with my legs, because me not really want mash up my back doing this. You see how that moves so smooth in the video? It never smooth at all. But like how the video make it look like say a lightweight. That mattress was very heavy. So now basically what I'm going to remove is the velvet footing. So I'm trying to figure out how to screw these off, because I can't really see them. So I was trying to figure out how best to screw it off and how safely to screw it off without breaking it. So I went ahead and got the pliers, or whatever you call these, but I was trying to use my hand to do it and it was not working at all. Like my finger kept slipping, I was not able to get a good grip on it. So I tried to go from under the bed and kind of use the pliers to loosen it, and then use my fingers and kind of loosen it even further, and it worked. So I was really happy with that. But when I went on the other side, that was a whole different ball game, because it was really tight. I was in this bed trying all kind of acrobatics to get into the area where the screw was. At one point I did just want to give up. I did just want to lay down on the bed and just give up, but I had to push through. So eventually it finally loosened and I was able to get it out, and I was like, thank you Jesus, because my finger them did dip on fire. Me say me did just hot and bothered doing this. Man, I was so happy when this was over with. All I had to do was just pull it away because I had removed the screws, remove everything, but I was kind of doing it slowly just so it doesn't, as I say, it kind of flimsy, so I never want to break it. So I kind of just pull it back and was just double checking to make sure that it wasn't broken or torn. But yeah, this is just the bottom of the bed frame, and I am pulling it away from the power base. So yeah, so my guy, when him come, him have all the space to work and do what he needs to do. So I'm happy with that. We got one thing done for the day. Now he just needs to come and do his part. I'm tired. That took a minute to get off. But anyways, just a quick tip. Anytime I have somebody coming here to work on something, I always like, sometimes I'll act like Ryan is here if he's not here and he's in the next room sleeping because he worked night shift. Or I'll have like my panic button. So I have a panic button with my security system in the house. So I'll have it on my person when there's someone in the house. It's just for my protection because the world is crazy, you know, and you can't trust anybody. So yeah. So now that we got that off, I'm just waiting for him to come. So when he gets here, we can get that fixed. Also, I'm open up all of the window them. So I'm open this. So if you want to look in, you can look in. There's no problem looking in. Open up this curtain, and then in here, I'll open up my bedroom window, and then I will like have a crack, like open up like a little crack right here. So I'd have a little crack. So in the case that me scream or me a shout or whatever, like my neighbors will hear. So yeah, all for safety. So the guy came and he said it was the motor and also the computer, or the system, the computer system in the bed. So he has to reorder that. He already did, and then he has to come back and change it out. So that is going to be next week. So for now, I'm going to just leave this off, just lean it up in the room, and then just wait until they get it fixed, and then I'm gonna just put back the mattress on the bed and we'll go from there. But in finishing time, so I'm just gonna edit one more video, and then I'm gonna do the easy sun. Wait, I'm gonna check the weather, and then if the weather is okay, I'm gonna do the easy sun. So that's not gonna be done. The patio or the front door not gonna be done today. I'm gonna just dust off that. I'm not gonna vlog that. I'm just gonna dust it off because there's going to be a thunderstorm, possibly a thunderstorm around 3 p.m. So we're not even gonna deal with that right now. And then for the rest of the week, it's going to be raining. So it is looking like I'm gonna try and aim for next week, and hopefully it's not raining, and then we can do it. Fingers crossed. So I'm gonna aim for next week to finish that project, and then just work on editing videos today. So yeah, that's gonna be it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful week, wonderful month, wonderful rest of the year. Bye. So this happened later on in the day. Good thing I did not go out and lay the sun. It was coming down pretty heavy with wind, so I'm happy for that. But just a quick note, the guy that came to fix the power base,
he actually did not order the parts. He just put a note in that the control or whatever box in the bed was not working, and that was that. He did not order it. So I went ahead today and reordered that, so a different technician will be coming out. So guys, if you have any issues like this, always follow up. Don't leave it up to them.